Why you feel lonely even when you're not alone. Have you ever been surrounded by people but still felt lonely? You're not alone in feeling this way. Loneliness isn't just about being physically by yourself, it's a complex emotional experience that can strike even in a crowd. In this video, we'll explore the psychology of loneliness, why it happens, and how it affects your mental health. More importantly, we'll share practical ways to overcome loneliness and rebuild meaningful connections. If you've ever felt disconnected, this video is for you. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and does not replace professional advice. Please consult a mental health provider if you're struggling with loneliness or emotional well-being. 1. What is loneliness? Loneliness is not just the absence of social contact, it's the emotional pain of feeling disconnected or unseen. It's possible to feel lonely even when surrounded by people if you don't feel understood or emotionally connected to them. Understanding loneliness starts with recognizing that it's a subjective experience tied to our need for connection. 2. Why do you feel lonely? Loneliness can stem from many factors, including life changes, relationship struggles, or personal insecurities. Some common reasons include lack of emotional connection. Being with others doesn't always mean feeling connected. True connection requires emotional intimacy, which isn't always easy to find. Comparison culture. Social media can make it seem like everyone else has fulfilling relationships, amplifying feelings of isolation. Fear of rejection. The fear of being judged or rejected can prevent people from reaching out to others, deepening loneliness. Life transitions, moving to a new place, losing a loved one, or changing jobs can disrupt social networks and lead to feelings of disconnection. 3. Signs that loneliness is affecting you. Loneliness doesn't just impact your emotions, it can affect your physical and mental health. Signs that loneliness is taking a toll include feeling unseen or unimportant, believing that no one truly understands or cares about your experiences. Emotional numbness, a sense of emptiness or lack of motivation to engage with others. Physical symptoms, fatigue, trouble sleeping, or health problems linked to stress. Withdrawing from others, avoiding social situations or interactions out of fear or frustration. 4. How loneliness affects your mental health. Chronic loneliness can have a profound effect on your mental health, leading to increased anxiety and depression. Feelings of isolation can amplify negative thoughts and emotions. Low self-esteem. Loneliness often leads to self-blame or feelings of inadequacy. Difficulty building trust. Prolonged loneliness can make it harder to trust others and form new relationships. 5. Practical ways to overcome loneliness. If loneliness is affecting your well-being, here are strategies to help you reconnect. Practice vulnerability. Open up to trusted friends or family members about how you're feeling. Join communities. Find groups, hobbies, or events where you can meet like-minded people and build meaningful connections. Limit social media. Spend less time comparing your life to curated online posts and focus on real-life connections. Build self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and patience as you work through feelings of loneliness. Seek professional support. Therapists and support groups can provide tools to understand and address your loneliness. 6. The role of self-connection. One of the most overlooked aspects of loneliness is the importance of connecting with yourself. Spending time reflecting on your needs, goals, and values can help you understand what you're looking for in relationships and make it easier to form meaningful bonds. 7. When to seek help? If loneliness is causing significant emotional distress or affecting your daily life, don't hesitate to seek professional support. A mental health provider can help identify the root causes of your loneliness and guide you toward healthier coping strategies. Final thoughts. Loneliness is a universal experience, but it doesn't have to define your life. By understanding the reasons behind loneliness and taking steps to reconnect with others and with yourself, you can rediscover a sense of belonging. True connection takes time, effort, and vulnerability, but the rewards are worth it. If this video resonated with you, please like, subscribe to Mind Health and You, and share it with others who might benefit. Let us know in the comments if you've ever felt lonely and what steps have helped you feel more connected.